Summersall, founder of Kira, a travel-inspired lifestyle brand. Today we're going to show you behind the scenes, and we're going to start with our inspiration, just starting from images of organic forms and architecture, and then taking those into two-dimensional sketches and then three-dimensional modeling.
Hi, my name's Natalie and I'm one of Kira's interns, and I primarily focus on graphics design and marketing projects. One of the newest projects I've worked on and a new addition to our website is the Escape page, and so this page focuses on trying to connect customers with the places that all our pieces are inspired by. Also, I work on a lot of Kira's social media, and one of our latest projects has been Pinterest. All of our boards are travel inspired.
Hi, I'm Katie Bergio. I'm an intern here at Kira. Along with business management, I've been helping a lot with 3D software and modeling. Suze will come up with ideas and inspiration that she has and come up with a design or an image that she likes. And then what I'll do is I'll take it on the software, I'll do a 3D sketch of it, and then I'll make a relief of it, and I'll edit it and format it, and then have it printed out like this piece here, which will eventually be maybe a part of an earring.